All right, guys, Mike here with the watch list video for Thursday, August 7th. And we'll start with the SPY as we always do. Nice little bounce today, gap down, but closed at the highs. As I'm talking now, it's trading at 632.80, so hanging out pretty flat in after hours. Let me put that up for new members in the chat to read that and kind of understand that what we are is a group that works together, but we want to focus on in-play stocks and then trade the intraday setups that we teach, right? Nice calls today in chat by Sahil. 30.90 on CONL, and it went to 32.32. I actually called American Eagle AEO over 12.62. Not a huge move. It went to 12.96, but it was only on like 9 cents risk. And I'll show you that daily chart in a little bit because it is definitely interesting going into tomorrow. Let's go into what we're watching. MYGN could certainly have a follow-through day. Big volume, went out right near the highs. Let me try that again. EHTH, same thing. AEO, my favorite chart going into tomorrow. Went out at 12.82, the most recent high, 13.39. Yesterday's high, super interesting at the whole number 13, and then today the high was 12.96. Really like this, my favorite chart. We'll see what happens, but I like it. LHAI, big volume pop for that stock, especially if you get the opening couple days out of it, then you can see the big volume, right? And went out at the high, so certainly worth watching. BMNR, really good volume day, went out close to the highs. That one runs with SBET, both Ethereum related. Possible follow through days tomorrow. ZETA, big breakout today. BHVN still kind of flagging there. GV, really interesting in that topped at 224 yesterday and 224 today. Over that level could go, right? SSRM, I think this is a gold play and a big breakout today. GILT, also a big breakout. GO, same thing. Joby reported in after hours. Normally, like if they didn't report, I would have already had this on bounce watch because it's a breakout and then a couple days lower. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 1861. In my opinion, Joby isn't really about earnings right now. It's a forward-looking stock, so I do think it's worth watching tomorrow. MP had a nice Apple announcement in after hours, closed at 67.51. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 71.46, so well over today's high. Super interesting. And then what else we have? SPCE closed at 378. You know what? This got a nice pop in after hours, but doesn't seem to be continuing. Let's go to the 5-minute candles real quick. It's kind of rolled over. I'm going to take that one off. Not that interesting anymore. And maybe Micron. MU, big rip in after hours. So that's enough to watch when we'll add gappers in the pre-market as well. So I'll see you guys in the pre-market. We'll work together and build a list of gappers to add to this list. And that's it. Let me look at LHAI real quick because I think that was on the list and I didn't include it. All right, so real quick. Daily chart. Yeah, I didn't. Daily chart went public on July 24th. Been bleeding low ever since. And today, if you take these big volume spikes out, right, you can see the massive volume today. So it certainly could have a continuation tomorrow. If you weren't in chat today, though, it's important to point out it did this, broke the highs, and then went straight down and halted. That's really sketchy to me. And then opened down here and then spent the rest of the day climbing higher. So really weird action. but that doesn't negate the fact that it had really nice volume today and went out near the high. So anyway, that's enough to watch. Again, we'll add gappers in the pre-market. I'm done babbling. We'll see you in the morning.